All right, we are finding the domain and range of the graph here. It's really hard to see this line. So it is right here, and it has open circles right here, open circle right there. All right, so we are going to start with the domain. Domain is our x values, and I'm going to put a little x right here. And that means I need to go to the x-axis. So I'm going to get my blue line, and I'm going to go to this first dot, and I'm going to go to the x-axis. Oops, right here. And this one goes to the x-axis. Now this one's weird because there's only one number on the x-axis. So remember, you can only get your numbers from the x-axis for the domain. And because that only hits one number right here, your domain is just negative. That's a bracket. Sorry, y'all. That is a bad bracket. So let's see if I can do better. That's better, not much. -1. That is your domain. That's the only thing that x can be on this line is -1. It never goes forward or backward. It just stays there. All right, our range. Our range is going to be a little different. So my range is y. And I'm going to put y here. And remember that it starts at the bottom. We start at the bottom, right? So I'm going to go to the bottom of this line. I'm going to go to my y. And I'm going to go to the top, and I'm going to go to the y-axis. Remember that your range can only get numbers from the y-axis here. So start at the bottom, and my number is -3, less than y, less than. I pretty much write that every time. And this right here is Mr. O, who has no lines under, so I'm not going to underline it. Then I go to the top one right here, and I get +3, and that's also Mr. O, so I'm not going to underline it. So that is your range.